In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card at checkout. First, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Take a moment here to quickly review what you've selected, just to make sure the quantities, sizes, colors, or versions are correct before moving forward. This helps avoid having to go back and make changes later, especially if you're shopping on a mobile device where navigation can feel a little slower. Once everything looks good, go to your cart. In the cart, you'll usually see a summary of your order, including the items, subtotal, and any estimated shipping or tax. This is a good place to confirm that the total matches what you expect. If your store gives you the option to update quantities or remove items, you can do that here before continuing. Next, proceed to checkout. This will take you to the payment section, where you'll enter your shipping and billing details if needed. Depending on the website, some of this information may appear before the payment area, and some may appear after, but the process is generally the same. Keep moving through checkout until you find the payment options. Now look for the gift card box. This section may be labeled as gift card, gift code, or something similar, usually near the payment methods or order summary. If you don't see it right away, scroll carefully and check for a field that can be expanded or opened. On some checkout pages, this option can be easy to miss. When you find the box, enter the gift card number and the PIN exactly as they appear on the card. Be careful when typing, since even a small mistake can prevent the card from being accepted. It's a good idea to double check the number and PIN before submitting, especially if the characters are small or hard to read. After that, click Apply. Once the gift card is accepted, the amount will be deducted from your order total. You should see the updated balance reflected in the checkout summary. This lets you confirm that the card was successfully applied before you finish paying. If there's any remaining balance after the gift card is used, simply pay the rest with another available payment method. Once that's done, you can complete your purchase as usual. And that's it. That's how to use a gift card at checkout.